nasty boy. You've been rolling around on the ground getting nasty? Have you? You enjoying yourself? It's a nice day, ain't it? And there, Jackie. Jackie! And go see Jack. There's Jackie. There's handsome. He's a handsome boy. He's a handsome. He loves lovings. He loves lovings. He do. He's a good boy. He likes to snuggle in the bed. He likes to come get close, get warm and toasty and snuggly. He's a good boy. Yes, he is. Where BB? Where you at, BB? There he is. Dang it, baby. Go get up there and get hit some sunshine. Come up here. Huh? You gonna get up here? Come on, up here. Up here. There he is. Oh, look at that little bitty guy. Look at this little bitty guy. We're enjoying this nice day. It's pretty at 65 degrees. I think it's February 22nd. Let me see. No, it's February 21st. And we're enjoying. I just came outside to enjoy some fresh air and sunshine. Y'all behave. Y'all be nice. I wanted to get these little gorgeouses. I love you baby boys. Don't fall. Don't fall. Boogie. Little boogie boy. Yeah. Oh, it feels so good. It's supposed to be a really nice week. One day's supposed to be 70, I believe. So lovely. So lovely. You scratching your face? Oh, I almost fell. You scratching your face, darling? Yeah, it itches. It itches. It do. He's a good boy. Oh, he likes to nibble. He's a nibbler. He likes to nibble and lick. I want you to rub his little... He's a baby. He's a baby. Yeah, he likes to cheat. Not hurt, doesn't hurt, but you know, if you're a cat owner, you know, just to nibble. He likes to nibble and show his love. Those are love bites. Those are love bites. Okay, well, I'm going to sit down and continue resting. Told y'all this guy was a snuggle buddy. I laid down in my lounge chair that lays back, and he immediately came over here and got in my lap. He's a buddy. He's a buddy. He likes to snuggle in somebody's lap or in the crook of their legs when they're sleeping. He's a lover. He's a little lover. He says, I'm a lover, not a fighter. I'll run from a fight. Well, I don't know. He does get in fights, but he typically runs from B if B's wanting to start something. He doesn't like B's shenanigans. But they love each other. They do love each other, but just like brothers. They're not real brothers, but you know. They have their little spats. They're like, leave me alone. I want some peace and quiet. He a good boy. Oh, he loves his head scratchings. He's a sweetheart. Love these babies. Love these babies. Want to say hey? Jack. Say hey. Got a train. Yep, it's loud. It's right in front of the house across the street. But I love it. I've almost always lived near a railroad track, and to me, that's a comforting sound, a nostalgic sound, because I grew up listening to trains because I live near a train track. I love it. I love the sound of a train whistle blow. It's hauntingly beautiful, if y'all know what I mean. Love it.